Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the transmission pulley and nut in your GE washer, you will need an impact driver with a 1/4-inch bit, pliers, a 3/8 socket, a 14mm socket, a pulley remover, a hex drive 3/8 socket adapter, and a hex drive 1/4-inch socket adapter. Before you begin the procedure, shut off the water supply. Unplug the power to the appliance. Remove the drain line from the wall. Remove the hot and cold water supply lines from the inlet valves. Tip the washer back and prop it up using a wooden block or chair. Unthread the 3 screws on the protective belt cover to remove it. Pull the belt off of the big pulley first, then remove it. Using the 14mm socket, unthread the nut. Attach the pulley remover to the pulley and tighten down until the pulley comes off. To install the new transmission pulley and nut, slide the pulley on the shaft and line it up with the splines. Then thread the nut onto the shaft. While tightening, the pulley will seat into position. Place the belt rib side facing inward over the big pulley, then stretch the belt over the small pulley. Rotate the pulleys to align the belt properly. Align the cover and start one of the 3 screws. Place the grounding connector over the screw and rethread it to the bottom of the transmission. Now rethread the last screw. Set the washer upright. Insert the drain hose back into the wall drain. Reattach the hot and cold water supply lines. Turn on the water supply. Plug in the power. And your washer should be ready for use.